Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to our beloved lecturer, Mr. Nick Muhammad Hafiz. Today, we are from Group 6, who are Nur Azila binti Hanafi, Nur Asmira binti Marzuki, Muhammad Daniel bin Mazlan, and myself, Muhammad Hafiz bin Mahmud, would like to present our video about innovation of digital UHF walkie-talkie under subject Maritime Safety. The suggestion that our group has made on a new system or new equipment of maritime safety, whether for using on board or in ports, is the digital UHF walkie-talkie. Our group has innovated on walkie-talkies by improving the systems available on walkie-talkies. Now, I will explain about introduction of our project, which is innovation of digital UHF walkie-talkie. As we know, a walkie-talkie, more formally known as a handheld transceiver, is a handheld, portable, two-way radio transceiver. It is a tool for on-board communication used by the crew on board. After that, ultra-high frequency, or short form is UHF, is the ITU designation for radio frequency in the range between 300 MHz and 3 GHz, also known as the decimeter band, as the wavelength range from 1 meter to 1/10 of a meter. Furthermore, UHF radio operate on frequency ranging from 400 to 512 MHz. UHF radios work best for most two-way radio users because the waves are shorter and can get around or penetrate areas or interference, like those found in buildings, thickly wood or hilly area, and urban outdoor settings. To further enhance the ability of frequency access for communication and ensure the safety of ships and crew in a safe condition from problems, walkie-talkies have been innovated by using ultra-high frequency UHF digital so that access to frequency can be improved. Owners and operators face communication challenge when trying to simultaneously transmit important message to entire crews spread across large vessels. In response to this issue, digital UHF walkie-talkie has been introduced. The system is based on the latest digital radio technology that allows crews members to have real-time communication with each other when located in different areas of modern merchant vessels. The objective of this innovation are firstly, to identify innovation of digital UHF walkie-talkie can improve the communication between crews on board. Secondly, to prevent the misrepresentation between the crews on board and also between vessels. And thirdly, to reduce the cost and time taken for the search and rescue when occur in an incident. Based on past studies that have been made by past researchers, among the literature reviews our group obtained are, firstly, according to Wärtsilä 2017, as the owner or operator of a successful merchant vessel can trust Wärtsilä digital UHF system to deliver dependable voice and data communication throughout the vessel. The Wärtsilä digital UHF solution is a highly dependable two-way radio service that includes all of the characteristics required to link all operating environments. Secondly, according to Huan and Lian 2012, frequently utilized systems include walkie-talkies, amateur radio, satellite communication, and tracking radio. They all require specialized terminal and can only be utilized by certain target groups. They are very usable and practical, but they are not very popular. Thirdly, according to Santa et al. 2013, The Walkie-Talkie project examines developing intelligent transportation system environments with the goal of identifying difficulties and proposing solutions to enable safer, smarter, and more environmentally friendly transportation for the next generation of smart car.
Hi, my name is Noor Asmira binti Mazuki. So I will discuss about 4-level awareness of walkie-talkie, which have 2 awareness before and after innovation. First is walkie-talkie flow before innovation. First is not designed for long-range communication, which is the infancy of the analog system become a communication challenge. Second is crew member would have to be placed about around 50 meters apart from one another to make certain order was repeat and transmitted to everyone. Also, using a short analog radios is that easily pick up emission noise together with the actual audio message, which is often making communication impossible. Third is use antenna couples with coaxial cable, and it's very complex and costly to set up. So this is the awareness before the innovation of the walkie-talkie. So next we discuss about after the innovation of walkie-talkie. And that is advantage of walkie-talkie after innovation. First is use a very high frequency and ultra high frequency, which is walkie-talkie powered by no rechargeable battery, and also it manufactures to transmit and receive a massive faster, which help to expedite any information received in all circumstances, and it's exceptionally clear voice communication. Third is have screen innovation, which can help to get and give faster information because have a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, which this can help in emergency situation, and easy also affordable to set up. With GPS that provide in new walkie-talkie that innovation, it can assist the welfare of all parties in the event of emergency, which facilitated the correct location of the coordinator. Third is have a latest digital radio technology, allow crew member to have a real-time communication with each other when located in different area of modern merchant vessel. So that is the flow of the 4-level awareness of communication, and also that's all from me. Thank you.
I will explain about the characteristic and the process operation of the walkie-talkies after an innovation with the use of non-rechargeable battery to the power very high frequency and the ultra high frequency. Walkie-talkies which were designed to the broadcast and receive a message faster and work on specific radio frequency. At the incredible rates. Radio waves are released at the speed or light or 186,000 miles per second, and they are part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Walkie-talkies with GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi can be worked in the water and it at worst weather. All you have to do check is say record, and then all you have to do to hear respond is say listen. Say thanks to the screen innovation. Any number of walkie-talkies user can communicate at the same time if they use the same frequency band or channel. Only one person can speak at the same time because everyone will be utilized at the same frequency range. Say over after you are done speaking, and the phone will be returned to auto listen mode, letting others to the speak. Small businesses, rescues group, and the military all prefer two-way radio, seeing the development in the technology.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Mazlan. My metric number is S54829. Next, I will explain about any related information in using digital UHF system for walkie-talkie. First and foremost, walkie-talkie that makes use of the digital UHF system as a communication tool can be convenient and reasonable price, regardless of the size of the vessel. Secondly, more than 60 vessels have been outfitted with digital UHF system as a means of future expanding the marine business in recent years. Third, when crew members are stationed in sprit section of modern merchant vessels, they are able to communicate with one another in real time. Fourth, digital UHF systems, which are used by Walkie-Talkie, operate on frequencies that are not currently subscribed. Fifth, even in a busy setting, messages can be received clearly and loudly. Sixth, 150 tests have been carried out, and it has been proven beyond doubt that the digital UHF system is capable of providing complete onboard coverage. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, digital UHF walkie-talkies play an important role on board, and they are also considered one of the important tools that should be on board. Digital UHF walkie-talkies can contribute to the well-being and safety of the crew on board and also to the ship because it can ensure the ship and crew are in good condition and safe. This is said because with the digital UHF walkie-talkie, it can prevent the occurrence of misrepresentation between the crew and the ship because the information conveyed is more clear and accurate. Therefore, this can prevent the occurrence of incidents to the ship and crew such as collisions.